And today Times Foodie is at Chor Bizarre, bringing the food all the way from up the hill, the Ladakhi food, the Ladakhi cuisine. And we have none other than the Prince of Ladakh, who gets the food all the way from the Stove Palace to Chor Bizarre with us. We have a beautiful display of Ladakhi food here, and to talk all about the food, we have none other than the Prince of Ladakh, Stanzin Jigmed Namgyal. I see a lot of food here, but if I have to ask you, what would you start your meal with here?
Today, for the menu here, I would start with my bread basket.
Okay.
Here, a traditional sardo bread that we have.
Okay.
It's called khambir.
Okay.
Traditionally eaten in the mornings. And then we have these achars and your tangtur, or you have your butter as well.
What is the other bread? I think that's has sesame on it, right?
We call it thaltak, means something that has been baked in the clay oven. It goes really with the soup.
Where do we head next?
My go-to would be a gyathuk. Gyathuk is basically a flat noodle that we make out of wheat flour. There are different ways of topping it up. So we use minced meat, the tuppa, basically.
It's like we missed that bread, if it is a bread. If I
This
can
is
call
not
it
a bread. This is basically a buckwheat crepes known as ten.
Okay, what do we have next here?
This is chutagi, black pasta that we make. You have a pasta shape, like imprint is like a thumb.
And what is that lamb dish that we have with us?
So this lamb dish is also again the same pasta shape, but it's in a bow type kind of shape, right? So we have used trotters in this, and then we've used potatoes as well.
And then I guess we have these very nice rice bowl, which
yes, of course,
kind of looks like our biryani, but
it does look like biryani, but it came in from the Yarkhand area when the Turks were also playing for trading and stuff like that. These dishes had come from that part of the world to Ladakh, and we've been enjoying and we've been having this dish on the plate. So we have apricot kernels, we have the raisins, and we have some julienne caramelized onions as well.
Yeah. So what is your favorite in this whole plate that we have here?
My favorite would be the trotters and the gyathuk.
Thanks once again
for
joining the table with us. So Chor Bizarre, one of the most iconic restaurants that defines the food of Delhi, is situated in Old Delhi and in this unique hotel called the Broadway, which was established in 1956. And yes, as the name suggests, this beautiful restaurant has artifacts and pieces, everything which might look like a mismatch, but they absolutely come together and beautify the place. Every antique here has a story to tell and is absolutely making the place look worth it.